Alright guys, so I'm going to take my mom for a ride along. She's never been in a race car with me before, so we're going to see how this goes. Mom, you ready? Come on! 2 minutes.
I've never gone on a ride along. This will be...
I think you're going to have a great time.
You think?
I think so.
Let me buckle up. Safety first.
Alright, you ready to go?
Yeah, this is great. Not sideways! Holy crap! Oh, ow, ow, ow. Oh, there's no, don't hit, oh my god, don't hit that! Ah, no, not sideways! Ow! Wait, no, that's a, no, you missed that, thank God. Look at all that dust. It never gets that dusty when I drive.
I think we drive just a little different.
No, yeah, here, oh God. Oh, now we're going in the dust. This is not good. No bueno. No. There's bushes and stuff. No. There's so much dust. Are you sure you can see where you're going?
Not really, can you?
No, I can't.
Can you tell me?
No. Yikes. Wow. Ah. Sideways again. Don't like the sideways bits. Oh. We about done? This has been exciting. Yeah.
One more.
No. You're my son, not crazy. This is not. Ew, this is a whole. See, there's a road in the distance. We can take the road. I like roads. Maybe we. Leave this on a road away from actual people.
Was that fun?
Yeah! So much fun! Thank you!
Thanks for coming along, Mom.
So grateful for the ride along. So grateful it's over.
You good?
Yeah. Just look this.
Just making sure.
Just need a mirror for my hair. Might need something for my trousers too.
Okay. A little too much information.